IPSA Working President Kurajam Athouba has highlighted the dangers posed by Levensrom for cookies, which was propagated by President and Supreme Commander of Kuki National Army PS Haukip. Levensrom for cookie pushes the idea of a cookie nation. He said the aspiration of Chin cookie underground groups, with many having transnational origin, poses huge threat to India, especially to Manipur. Kurajam Athouba said this while speaking in a side event of an ongoing 57 UN Human Rights Council session in Geneva, Switzerland. Kurajam Athouba presented a database on understanding Manipur crisis, its causes and impacts. While referring to reported incidences of attacks on civilians, Athouba highlighted that, according to newspaper reports, 90% of attacks were unprovoked attacks from Kuki militants.